Hey family, it's Buffy. Come along with me as I plant some cosmos seeds. I planted these in 2023 and they did really well, so let's do it again. Today I'm planting some cosmos. This is in my Keter raised bed. I'm just going to move some of the dirt around a little bit. And whenever I'm planting from seed, this is pretty much all I do. Move the dirt around. This is worm castings. I'm gonna get a handful of that. Sprinkle in there. Okay. Then I get some bone meal. Get a handful of that. Get finger caught up in there. Sprinkle that around and then mix it in a little bit. Here's the cosmos seed. I followed these same steps with the seed last year, and it germinated really well. And grew really well too. But I had actually put too much down last year. So I'm trying not to put as much down this year, not the same amount. Okay, now just cover back with the dirt. And we water it in, and that's it. So whenever I plant with seeds, I use worm castings, which is a natural organic fertilizer, and bone meal. When I'm transplanting, like I transplanted this basil yesterday, I use the worm castings and blood meal. So if it has leaves, I use blood meal and worm castings, seed, bone meal, and worm castings. Hope this helps, and I'll give updates as the cosmos and everything else starts growing. I forgot the most important thing, the Buffy seed starting mix from our cosmos. Good grief. And work that into where I planted it. So, gotta correct myself. Starting from seed, the Burpees seed starting mix, worm castings, and bone meal. Jeez, can't believe I forgot that. Last step, water it in. I'm gonna give the basil and this little it needs some water. It's got transplant shock. So I go family, but I fixed it. I added that Burpee seed starting mix. That stuff is amazing, and if you've never used it, I highly suggest you try it out. There's a link in the description. You can get it on Amazon or go to burpees.com and get it. I bought some, I think like August, September of last year, and they had 25% off, and they have sales at burpees.com throughout the year, so you should check it out. But it does really well with your seed starting mix when you're starting them outside. If you haven't already, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll give updates on everything that I've done in the garden, including when I cleaned out my arrow garden. I had the Farm 24XL, 24 plants. I'll let you know how that went, as I did transplant. Kinda gave you a preview of the transplant shock that some of them are going through as I transplanted from the hydroponics to the soil. But they did that last year, my plants I transplanted from the arrow garden, and they recovered. So I'm hoping the same will happen this time. But you gotta subscribe so you get notified when I update with a new video. Thanks so much family, and I'll see you in the next video.